Hello and welcome back to Little Guy Creates. Today we will be continuing and figuring out what the heck is wrong with this thing. We'll try this out. Oh, I think it's because it touches the ground. See, it's going to touch the ground. The booster touches the ground. And then it immediately explodes. So we can't have the boosters down there. So what do we do? So I think is we will let them decouple from the top. Like in the original. Because this isn't working. And then we make this look like a fighter jet. And remove this. Now we can launch. Hopefully it doesn't just touch the ground and then explode. Something exploded, and it's essentially the engine exploded. Let's get that right. Yeah, the Goliath exploded. I think this needs to be smaller. Man, huge problem here. It's probably going to be our last save. Hopefully. This thing's just way too heavy. I don't know if it understands that. Oh. Okay, let's just build something different. This one doesn't work. Ah! I did get a design that worked once. Maybe. This won't have enough thrust, I know that. What the heck? Why's the wing coming apart? Let's just try and see what happens. It's completely destroying everything. And once we get to a high enough speed, everything else will also be destroyed. But could we lift off with just this? Nope, we can't. Where's our crewman? Let's revert to the VAB. And create a new one. Nope, we're not trying this one. We will make a completely new one. It shall use this. And add something on the end. Now wings. This is the design. I've actually made a design previously like this in a different video. it was good in testing, and then it just didn't perform on video. Now snaps, please. Okay. We will add some engines. Let's make sure not to overdo the fuel. Now air intake. Put the engine on the back. Now this should be good. Supposedly. Oof. This is a proper oof. Okay. Not too bad looking. Now, we will add some boosters onto it. First, we will add some stabilizers. What is going on with my wings today? And then some gear. They made it so that this gear could swivel, so we will try it out. Now we will turn this way a little bit. No, I didn't ask for snap. Last one. Perfect. No, not good. Don't like it. There. Now add some snap. And that looks pretty good. Start. No parachutes are. I'm not going to use any parachutes on this. And see if we can get off the ground just with no boosters. Okay. Good acceleration already. Wow, I already have 40 by the time we reach Sigric. 100 in like 3 seconds. And we're in the air. Like that. Woohoo! I think we should try turning this thing around and coming in on runway 2, which is 27 left. It's such an easy thing to fly. Just have to account for how long it takes to turn this thing around. And I've made my space agency colors my 2 favorite colors, red and blue. Well, they were my favorite colors when I was a kid. When I was younger. I was like 5. Happy Chadless here. We need some. We needed some form of brakes though. I don't know if we're going to be able to stop on this huge runway. On this runway. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Good landing, maybe. Actually, you do have a lot of means of slowing down. You just need to land. I need to just focus on the landing, not my throttle. And we're down. Ooh. I should have done a quick save. Ooh. Sorry, Chadless. Very good. So, that was pretty good, but we could do better. Let's revert to the launch and launch it one more time, then call it a video. Okay, and go. Do not have any means of stopping, and I think I've inverted my landing gear. Steering. It's not. How about we just not enable steering? Steering enable. Make the braking power 0. Make this braking power 200. And away we go. Incredible thrust here. They're pretty much going vertical. Alright, and throttle off. Gear down. Maybe we can do a complete loop. In this plane that I would say doesn't really like doing loops. Oof, we're going way too fast. I really should have had some parachutes on. Can we stop at the end of this? But first, can we pitch up? Can we pitch up? No. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, we did with a little oversteer, but the bird has landed. I really want to save this. Save game as frame flyer. Oh, this is really good. Oh, we're skidding, and done. We can call it a video. Thank you for watching Little Guy Crate. See you in the next video. Bye.